Hello SAP ASE Sybase community. Now it's time to update our flagship Sysmon processing and analysis tool, called SAP ASE Sybase Sysmon service. On this occasion, we allow ourselves submit the tested and certified version with the latest SAP ASE Sybase update that takes you to version 16.0 SP04 PL06. In this video we want to introduce you to the version of this service that will surely be of interest to you due to its practicality and ease of use. Thank you for your time and attention. SP Sysmon is a SAP ASE Sybase resource monitoring tool that outputs a plain text file. Its purpose is to measure the consumption of resources such as processes, memory, I/O behavior and the network, among others. The output of the SP_Sysmon is extremely useful in various scenarios, among others, measure SAP ASE performance and its consumption and resource management, support to monthly reports of administrators, DBAs, in relation to the management of the administration, propose SAP ASE configuration improvements, detect bottlenecks in SAP ASE configurations, measure resource consumption of point processes, important input to make sizing decisions, performance tests or benchmarks before and after migrations, i.e. machines and/or SAP ASE versions. The pros of using SP Sysmon are enormous. Among its many benefits of use we find accuracy, reliability, optimized execution, multi-purpose, native SAP ASE Sybase and many others. The cons are few, but important. Because with few Sysmons it is not healthy to make decisions. It is then necessary to take many samples, which generates many output files, and if we add to this that each file consists of many pages, its organization, tabulation, summarization, averaging data and making sense of the data contained here becomes a headache, and it can take days or weeks. This is where our service takes on added value, because just by giving us the end files of the SP_Sysmon execution, we will return the information organized, tabulated, summarized and averaged into flat files so that you can use that clean information as an input to your favorite analysis tool, such as Excel and others. In addition to the delivery of n flat files, one per item CPU usage, memory usage, etc., we will give you an Excel where for each tab, you will find an ordered and tabulated item. Using our service, you will be able to build your SAP ASE Sybase performance and status reports very easily and quickly with 100% reliable information, saving time and hours of sleep. All flat files have as a header the name of the client, and of the process, the Sysmon section, in our case kernel utilization, subsection server summary average. We will have the information sorted by date, average user usage, system usage, average busy I/O and average idle. It should be noted that each record in this file was extracted from the output of the corresponding Sysmon. Each output of each flat file will be displayed according to the situation. For example, there will be situations where the idle % column does not apply, so it will not be displayed. The flat files that are delivered cover the most relevant items of SAP ASE Sybase behavior, including automatic recommendations, kernel behavior, connectivity, disk and network behavior, CPU performance, transactional behavior, self-cleaning, wait event studies, transactional behavior and indexes. In addition, we will also find metadata, information about information, behavior of locks, memory and caches, special caches such as procedures, performance in time to start SAP ASE Sybase, behavior of disks and/or database devices and network I/O. An element to highlight for which we dedicate a slide is automatic tuning recommendations. Here we list all the recommendations made automatically by the SP Sysmon. In addition to this, we categorize them by giving them relevance according to the number of occurrences in the Sysmon, which gives us a very clear perspective of the need to apply or not these recommendations according to their relevance or priority. To make flat files even more versatile and practical, we have added an Excel file that contains 52 tabs. Each tab contains a flat file clean, tabbed and ready to use. Some of the benefits of using SAS are: many Sysmon files can be processed in a very short time. Tidy, clean, tabulated and ordered information is provided. Practical, because the information delivered can be the input for any data analysis platform or software, Tableau, Power BI, etc. It is available for any version of SAP ASE that you have available. SP Sysmon. Light, because it is not intrusive and very light. Fast, as it speeds up the process of reporting performance, tuning, and future sizing no matter how many SP Symons need to be analyzed. Functional, because it is offered as a service, so it is not required to install software components in any layer of the SAP ASE Sybase system. Flexible and in continuous growth, because at the request of the client we can add items that in their opinion are useful file. MazterTools offer you a free trial to try the service and see its power. Once you exhaust this resource, you will have to pay for its use. We are waiting for you on our website in www.maztertools.com. Thank you for your time and attention.